Hello everyone, welcome back to our English class. It's me again, Teacher Yuri, and in today's video we are going to study page 20 and page 21 on your student book. Okay, so please get your student books, open it on page 20 and page 21, and let's start learning. Okay, let's begin. So hello everyone, and welcome back to another English lesson that we're going to learn for today. So in today's video we are going to study everything that we have on your page 20 of your student book, and as well as with page 21 of your student book. Okay, so please get your student book, open it on page 20 and page 21, and let's start learning. Okay, so lesson 5. So we are going to read and also listen to an audio file with regards to this play script by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. It is entitled The Crown Diamond.
Listening 16. Listen and read.
The Crown Diamond by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Characters: Sherlock Holmes, a detective. Dr. Watson, Holmes's friend. Billy, Holmes's servant. Sebastian Moran, a criminal. Sam Merton, Moran's friend. Scene 1. A room with a large window. There is a curtain across the window. Enter Watson and Billy.
When will Holmes be back, Billy?
I don't know, sir. He's very busy. He's trying to find the Crown Diamond.
Oh, yes. It was stolen in the robbery last week.
That's right, sir.
Watson pulls back the curtain. A model of Holmes is in a chair by the window.
What's this?
Holmes wants people to think he is at home when he isn't.
Why?
Enter Holmes.
Because a man is trying to attack me, Watson.
Who?
Sebastian Moran. Write it down, Watson.
A doorbell rings. Billy exits. Writing in his notebook.
Why don't you tell the police?
Because I haven't found out where the diamond is yet. Moran stole it, and a man called Sam Merton helped him.
Enter Billy.
Sebastian Moran is here, sir.
Good.
Looks out of the window.
And Sam Merton is outside.
This is dangerous. I'll stay with you, Holmes.
No, Watson.
Writes a note.
Take this note to the police. They will come and arrest Moran. But before they get here, I will find out where the diamond is.
Okay, so we have just read a script entitled The Crown Diamond by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Okay, so I want you to please take a look at the underlined words. So we have enter, diamond, robbery. We also have some at the bottom. We have note and arrest. Okay, so we might need those words later on in this lesson. Okay, so one more time, please take a note of this underlined words. We have enter, we have diamond, we have robbery, we have note, and we have arrest. Okay, I might miss some words, help me. Okay, so we need those words later on in this lesson, and you will be able to please take note and look into your dictionary the meaning of those words. Okay, alright, so feel free to pause this video as you go and look for the meaning of these words. Alright, so As we continue, let's go to number 3. Let's read again and write true or false. Okay, so we are going to read again at the script to find out if these statements are actually true or not, or is it false. Okay, so number 1, Holmes is looking for a diamond. Is it true? Okay, let's try to verify. Is it true? Okay, yes, as you can see here, Billy said, "I don't know, sir. He's very busy and he's trying to find the crown diamond." Okay, so it is true that Holmes is looking for the crown diamond. Okay, so number 2, there is a model of Watson by the window. Is it true? Watson pulls back the curtain. A model of Holmes is in a chair by the window. Okay, it is false. Okay, because there is a model of Holmes by the window. Okay, so it is Holmes. We have false. Okay, because there is a model of Holmes. Okay, there is a model of Holmes in the chair by the window. Okay, number 3, a man is trying to attack Watson. Is it true? Holmes said, "Because a man is trying to attack me, Watson." So he's telling that to Watson. So Holmes is saying that there's someone who is trying to attack him. So the sentence here says, "A man is trying to attack Watson." Is that correct? No. Okay, it is false. So number 4, Moran stole the diamond. Is it true? Okay, let's go back to this part of the script. So because I haven't found out where the diamond is yet, Moran stole it and a man called Sam Merton helped him. So Moran stole the diamond. Is it correct? Yes. Alright, so let's put true. Okay, next. Number 5, Moran is in the street outside Holmes' house. Because they haven't found out where the diamond is yet, Moran stole it and a man called Sam Merton helped him. So Billy said, "Sebastian Moran is here, sir." Holmes, good, and he looks outside the window and Sam Merton is outside. Okay, yes, okay, it is true. So Holmes wants Watson to go to the police. Is it correct? Okay, yes, in this part, no Watson, and then he writes a note, "Take this note to the police. They will come and arrest Moran, but before that, they get here, I will find out where the diamond is." So the answer is true. Okay, he wants Watson to take a note to the police. Alright, okay, let's go to page 21. Okay, so find the words in the play script to match the pictures. Okay, so we're going to go back into the play script so that we will be able to find out the words in this picture. Okay, so we have number 2. What do you call this one? Okay, let's look at I think it is enter. Okay, as you look at the person, he is going inside a room or a house, so I guess it is enter. Okay, very good. Now this is very easy. Okay, if you go back, this is the diamond. Okay, because this is how the diamonds look like. Alright, so let's go and write down diamond. Alright, so next, number 4. What this person is. What kind of a person, or what is the job of that person? So we're going to look at it. There we have detective. Okay, so detective is the job of this person. They are investigating, okay, crimes. For example, someone steals, a detective helps the police to be able to solve the crimes. Okay, so detectives are quite very smart people. Right. Next we have this one. What do you call that picture? Okay, let's go back and look for the word. Is it robbery? I think not. Is it a note? No. Is it arrest? Yes. Okay. So the police is trying to arrest a criminal. So we have arrest. Okay, here. So we have arrest. Okay. And then this one. What do you call this one? Let's go back. Is it criminal? I don't think so. Is it a note? Yes. Okay, so that is a note. Okay. Alright. Let's go to the next one. What do you call this action? Is it enter? No, we have answered that already. Is it diamond? No, we have answered that already. Is it robbery? Okay, yes. So this is a robbery. Okay, robbery is when somebody steals or rob. Okay, from the word rob or steal. Take anything that is not your belonging or is not. Take something that is not yours. Okay, robbery or stealing. And the last one, okay, we have this as the. Is it a detective? No. A servant? No. A criminal? Yes. Okay. So we have a criminal. Okay, so again, number 1 is the servant, number 2 enters, number 3 diamond, number 4 detective, number 5 arrest, and number 6 note, number 7 robbery, number 8 is criminal. Okay, so please take note of these words and then try to look for the meaning of these words in time. Okay, so as we go back to the script, if you could remember the script that we just read on page 20, we are going to look at what will happen next.
Listening 17. Listen to what happens next. Were you right?
Ah, Mr. Moran. I'm glad you're here. I wanted to talk to you. I want to find the diamond.
I don't know where it is.
Yes, you do, and you're going to tell me.
I won't tell you anything.
Perhaps Mr. Merton will tell me. Billy, please bring Mr. Merton in.
Yes, sir. Here is Mr. Merton, sir.
What's going on?
I know you stole the Crown Diamond, and I know how you stole it. I've written it all in this book. The only problem is, I can't write about where the diamond is now, because I haven't found it yet.
You will never know.
Oh, I think I will. You see, my friend Watson has just gone to the police station. The police are coming now. You can wait here. I will wait in my bedroom.
What are we going to do?
I don't know.
The diamond is here, in my pocket. Take it and leave the country.
Thank you. I'll take that. Ah, that will be the police. Just in time.
Okay, so we have just listened to what happens after we have read the script on page 20, okay? So we have different scenarios right here. So we have Holmes shows Moran a book, Holmes takes the diamond, the police arrive, Moran enters, Holmes goes into the bedroom, Billy brings Merton in. Okay, so what do you think happened next? Okay, what happened next is number 1, Moran enters. Okay, and then after that, Holmes talked to Moran, and then Moran said that he won't tell where the diamond is. Perhaps Mr. Merton could tell. Okay, so he ordered Billy to bring Mr. Merton. Okay, to bring Mr. Merton. Okay, and after that, he told Moran that he is writing everything about the stealing in a book, but he cannot complete it yet because he doesn't know where the diamond is. Okay, so our third scenario is that Mr. Holmes shows Moran the book where he is writing the story about where the diamond is. Okay. Next, what do you think happens? Okay, so he said to Mr. Holmes, to Mr. Moran, that they called the police, so that the police is going to arrive very soon, and then he could wait here, but Holmes is going to wait at the bedroom. Okay, so Holmes goes into the bedroom. Okay, so this is the fourth scenario. And then next, Holmes, the two criminal actually said that he should take the diamond and go somewhere, go outside the country. Okay, and he said take it. And then Mr. Holmes went out of the bedroom and took the diamond himself. Okay, so we have number 5, and the last one, he said a doorbell ring, and he said it must be the police, and they were just in time. In summary, what happened next is Moran enters, and then Billy brings Merton in, and then Holmes shows Moran a book, and then Holmes goes into the bedroom, and Holmes takes the diamond, and then number 6, the police arrived. Okay, so that's it. Now you're going to answer this one by yourself. Okay, ask and answer. Use the prompts in your answers. Okay, so use these answers. For example, number 1, what do you think happens to Moran and Merton? So I think they run away, they go to prison, the police arrest them. What do you think happened to both of them? Next, have you ever read a detective story? If you have to answer yes, I have. If you haven't, no, I haven't. Okay, who were the characters? They were a detective, a police officer, or a criminal. Okay, so what are the answers? So please answer this one by yourself. Write your answer on the blank provided. Okay, so for your homework, we are going to answer page 18 and as well as page 19 on your workbook. Okay, so we are going to answer page 18 and page 19 on your workbook. Now, some of the exercises we are going to answer together, but some of them you're going to answer by yourself. Okay, so let's start with page 18. Okay, so at this part, you're going to choose the title of the script. For example, A, The Great Detective, B, Criminals at the Theater, or letter C, Disappearing Diamonds. So you're going to choose what is the best title for this script. Okay, alright, so let us go through and read the script together. So blank, so you're going to choose the title by Rosie Wilson. Characters are Julie, a 12-year-old girl. So this is Julie. Fred, Julie's older brother. This one is Fred. Mrs. Taylor, their mom. This is Mrs. Taylor. And a boy. This one is the boy. Okay, so let's read. Scene 1. The kitchen at Fred and Julie's house. The doorbell rings. Julie, oh, that's the doorbell. And then Mom says, I'll go and see who's there. Mom opens the door and a boy is holding a note. The boy says, it's a note for you. It's from the theater. Mom says from the theater. Thank you. She returns to the kitchen. Julie said, Who was it, Mom? And Mom said it was a boy with a note. Okay, Fred says, What does it say? Mom says, I haven't read it yet. She opens the note and it says, The diamonds have disappeared. The diamonds have disappeared. I must use the phone. Mom exits quickly. Julie, the diamonds have disappeared. Fred said, Wow, diamonds. Julie, I think Mom's phoning a detective. Fred says he'll come and investigate. Julie said he'll look for clues. And Fred says, and we can help him arrest the criminal. And Mom comes back. Fred asks, when's the detective coming, Mom? Julie said, can we help him investigate? Mom said, detective? What detective? Julie, the diamonds have disappeared. Mom said, oh, well, yes, they have, but they aren't real diamonds. They're props for a play. Fred is disappointed. He said, we wanted to look for clues. Mom said, I'm sorry, kids, but you can help me look for props. I'm going out now to buy some more. Okay, so that is the script that we have just read. So do not forget to select the best title for our script. Is it The Great Detective, Criminals at the Theater, or Disappearing Diamonds? Okay, let's go to exercise 2. Who goes to the door? Okay, so the answer is Mom goes to the door. Okay, number 2, where has the note come from? The boy said it's from the theater. So the note comes from the theater. Okay, so what does the note say? What does the note say? So the note says, the diamonds have disappeared. The diamonds have disappeared. I must use the phone. And the fourth question, are Fred and Julie excited? And who do they want to help? And number 6, are the diamonds real? So these are the questions that you're going to answer by yourself. So let's go to page 19. Okay, so we have here note, robbery, diamonds, criminal, arrested, and detective. So these are the vocabulary that we need to use in order to complete these sentences. All right, so let's start with number 2, the blank. Okay, let's start with number 1. The police have arrested the man who stole the money. Okay, so the answer would be arrested. Okay, next, number 2. The blank stole our neighbor's television. Who do you think could steal someone's television? Who do you think so? Who do you think? Okay, it is the criminal. Okay, so let's cross out the criminal. Okay, let's cross out the criminal and write it down here. The criminal stole our neighbors, okay, or a robber, okay, but in this case we use the criminal. Next, Mom left me a blank so I didn't forget my homework. So what do you think is the best answer? So what does people leave so that it will set as a reminder? Okay, is it robbery? Is it diamonds? Is it detective? No, usually people are leaving notes. All right, so let's go ahead and write down notes. Alright, so please do not forget to answer number 4, number 5, and number 6. We have used note, we have used criminal, and we have used arrested. So you are going to use robbery, diamonds, and detective for your answers. Okay, alright. And this one, please answer by yourself. Okay, please answer by yourself. You're just going to read the play script on page 18 and you're going to match the pictures to the sentences. Okay, so for example, number 1, the detective will investigate the crime and arrest the criminal. So this one is letter B. Okay, just look at the photo and match them on these sentences. Okay, only 3. Alright, so let's go to exercise number 3. So we have these vocabularies as we go along and learn our lesson for this unit. So let's go ahead and read them again. So we have doorbell, we have servant, we have props, we have clue, we have enter, and we have investigate. Okay, so number 1. It is a noun, things actors use when they are doing a play. Okay, so we have props. Alright, very good. Next, we have a verb, to come into a room or building. So to come in to a room or building. So what do you think is the best answer? So we have enter. Okay, so there, and then we are going to write that down over here. So we have enter. Okay, so when you come in to a room or a building, you are entering a room or a building. Number 3, it is a noun, a person who cooks, cleans, etc. in a rich person's house. Okay, it is also the person that serves, the masters. The masters are the rich people. So what do you think is the best answer? We have servant. Okay. Alright, so we have servant, and then we are going to write that down over here. Okay, so that leaves you number 4, number 5, and number 6. So we have used servant, props, and enter already, so we are just going to use now doorbell, clue, and investigate for these 3 remaining questions, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so that is for your workbook for today, guys. I hope that you are able to do this, and then we are going to see you in our next lesson. Have a great day.